Hi everyone, welcome back again to our channel. This is Obelili Family Cook. Today we are making our sauce, yam sauce. You can see our yam in on the fire. That is, we are frying fried yam and the sauce. So I want you to stay tuned and watch the video. See, I made this yam recipe. Very simple and quick, easy one. Okay, for dinner. So let's dive into the video. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Please, as you are watching, share the video, okay? Stay tuned and watch this moment. It's very interesting. God bless you for watching. Yeah, guys, I'm back. That is our yam. You can see our yam. 2 cubes of yam I'm going to be cooking. So here I'm cutting the yam in pieces. I'm cutting it. So after cutting the yam, I have to peel it. So guys, in case if you are not an African person here and you are not in Nigeria, this yam is in form of potato, sweet potato. This is the type, another type of it. We call it yam. Okay, so it's African food. So I want to make it fried the yam and make the sauce, and they will like it. So stay tuned and learn how to do this. Very simple and easy, quick recipe. Keep watching, guys. So after peeling it, that is the outcome of it. I wash it and put it a little salt. So I'm mixing it together. So that is my frying pan. I'm now adding my oil, groundnut oil, to use it to fry it. So keep watching while I do this. So the oil is hot. I'm putting the yam that I already washed, cut and washed. You can see it. I'm putting it one after the other. So I'm covering it now. I like covering it when I'm putting. So right now I will have to prepare our sauce that we are going to use to eat the fried yam. So I'm adding my, first of all, I put my frying pan. So I'm adding my oil. So, and that is my fried yam in the other side of. I'm now putting my onions. I have added onions on it. Okay. So after putting my onions, the next thing I'm going to be adding again is my tomatoes, my fresh grounded tomato. So that is the tomato. I add it, tomato and pepperoni. I don't know, you guys call it pepperoni, Cameroon pepper. I don't know, but we call it pepperoni. So I'm turning it with the onions, the fried onions. So turn it very well. Then I add my Wurstel. I like using Wurstel when I'm cooking. You can use anyone. You can use fish. You can use whatever meat, any type of meat you want to use, or fish. You can put it. So I normally use Wurstel. So I'm turn all of them together while our yam is still on the fire. So guys, you can see our sauce is our part ready, and the our frying yam is also about to be ready. So I hope if you enjoyed this video, don't hesitate to subscribe and click that follow button on Facebook, and follow us in Obelili Family TV, and God will bless you as you do so. Remember, here is where we cook Obelili Family cook, and we still have where we are eating our mobile food. After cooking here, you go to Obelili Family TV and watch how we consume this. So right now I'm turning the fried yam. Both of them is on the fire, on the, can see them on top here. This one is about to ready. The other one also about to ready. So this is it. So you have to turn it again. So all the sauce, everything will mix together. Okay. So guess what? After turning it, we are going to add another special thing that will make it look yum yum, very delicious. So watch to the end, and God will bless you as you are watching. Thank you so much. Please, we have a membership. You can also click on that join button in YouTube and support us with membership. So right now I'm going to cover it again and come back in a few minutes time. So guys, right now I'm adding my grounded pepper. So that is the grounded pepper. I have already added my salt. I will turn it together again, again. I hope you enjoyed this my recipe. Enjoying it. Let's see your thoughts in the comment section. So now I'm going to apply this my egg. That is the egg. That is the cocoa master. So I normally like using Wurstel and egg doing my recipe. So this egg, when after doing it, putting it, I will cover it and come back. It is done. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So guys, I'll cover it. Whenever I come back now, the food is ready to go. Okay, I turn my yam. We eat this some more. Go and sleep, Jare. At Obedili family cook Naija it dey happen. So guys, let me leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all.